The magic meditation goes like this. You find a thought that is already neutral, that you do not have a negative opinion about, and you focus upon it. You could listen for a sound. Can you hear a sound in this room when we are not making one? A sort of ever-present sound of the air flowing in. Can you hear it? That'd be a good thing to focus upon, because it's not abusing your ears. You have to focus to hear it. It's meaningless. You didn't divorce it. It didn't snatch your business out from under you. It didn't die unnecessarily. In other words, it's neutral. It's neutral, and you have the power to focus on it. And when you do, you reach a neutral place where momentum that you already have established will then flow. Some people say when they sit to meditate, their mind gets chatty, even more chatty than usual. That's because you've already got some stuff activated. So what else could you do? You could focus on your breathing. You could deliberately breathe in, long, in, just filling your lungs. And then you could let it slowly out. And you could breathe in a rhythm that is not normal. We would encourage the guided meditation that has been presented with music that will actually guide you with your breath in and guide you with your breath out. It'll hold you in a neutral place. Because if you have the ability to find a neutral place, then you have the ability to set something else in motion. But friends, the majority of you and the majority of people that you know are waiting until the momentum is working against you, and then you're trying to do that. And then you're saying, it's too hard. And then you let that momentum carry you, and then you practice a vibration that doesn't serve you, and then you don't feel powerful when you are.